Hey, what's up guys, this is Ashwin and in this video we are going to check out some cool new tricks that you can flaunt while using Spotify. So what are you waiting for? Without any further ado, let's get right into the video. Feature makes it very easy to add your music you hear on YouTube to your Spotify playlist. And for this you need to install an app named IFTTT, which says if this then that. What this literally does is that if a suitable condition is met during an action, the process set with the action will be executed. In the app, you'll find some pre-made actions called applets. Search for the Spotify applet and permit the required permissions to put the applet into action. Now go to the YouTube and whenever you like a video, it gets saved to your YouTube playlist. Is it awesome? This may not work all times. That is if the song is not present in the Spotify or due to the wrong title in the YouTube. But this trick is a must try one. Now the next trick in the list helps those who party a lot. Now this helps to keep a party keep going on and to see what's up the next. Last year Spotify added a new feature that will keep playing music when your queue runs out. As with most of things Spotify, the tracks it play depend on both what you are playing at time and on what you like to play generally. Not sure how to view your queue? It is the icon left to the device's icon and the volume slider on the desktop. And look out for the same logo at the top right of the full screen, now playing screen on the mobile. And the next trick is transfer your music from other apps and that too without any hesitation. You can now transfer your existing playlist on other music services to Spotify. The Soundwiz website is a great way to get it done and it supports all the services you'd expect. And there's nothing more to this. The final trick of the app is Spotify has partnered with Genius to provide lyrics for selected English songs. This is currently only available on the Spotify mobile app. To view the song lyrics, open the Spotify app on your phone, play an English song and go to its album view. Tap on the album picture and the lyrics will show up. Note that this is only applicable for certain songs and may not be available for all the songs out there. Optionally, you can go to the settings and activate the behind the lyrics mode. It will show information about the song alongside with the lyrics. This was it for the video and hope you enjoyed it. If yes, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell button for more of such content. This is Ashwin signing off. Peace.